Hey guys, so today we will learn exactly how to do texture painting in Blender. So it's a very easy thing, but to begin with, you have to make sure that your object is UV unwrapped. In my case, I have a default cube which is automatically UV unwrapped. But if you have an object, you can use the Smart UV project to unwrap your object. Now what you have to do is just select this and open up another window here and open up the shader editor here. So I'll just go here and open up the shader editor. Now I'll just select this object and create a new material. This will give me a material output and a principled BSDF. अभी पूरे चीज को ध्यान से समझना. मटेरियल आउटपुट को मैं यहाँ पर लेके जाती हूँ और दिस इज आवर प्रिंसिपल्ड BSDF. यहाँ पर मैं शिफ्ट A दबा के एक और प्रिंसिपल्ड BSDF इनपुट कर लूंगी and that will be base color will be blue or any other color that you really want to paint, any other color or any other texture that you want to paint on the cube or the object. So मैं इसको blue select कर लूंगी. After that I'll go shift A and add a mixed shader. आप mixed node का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं along with mixed shader. So I will just use a mixed shader in this case. The main BSDF, that is the main color of the primary color of the object, should be your first shader and this one should be your second shader. Next what we will do is go again shift A and add an image texture here. After adding the image texture, we will plug in the color into the factor of this and we will create here a new image texture. Let's say we name it texture paint and we'll keep it 1K and OK. So once that is done, we will simply select this image texture and with this image texture selected, in our interface, we will go to texture painting on the top that you can see. So as I went to texture painting, this is actually the thumbnail that I created. So I'll just go out of this and I'll go towards the cube that we are working with. So you can see that it's completely black now and whatever we paint on it will be white. So this is our first material actually, which is being represented by black. And now if we paint here, so as you can see, this is white. And you can see our object is UV unwrapped. So here you can see whatever we are painting. So we just painted this. You can adjust the radius and the strength of the brush here. So we are just painting here. So this is what we painted, say. And now if you save all images here, don't forget this step. So save all images here. And then if you go back to the layout tab, you will see that our object is colored just as we want it to be. So you can just simply color anything over here. And that is all about texture painting. I hope you gain some knowledge from this video. And if you really want to learn more about Blender, about the basics of Blender or about say sculpting in Blender or anything else, then please click on the video on the screen. It will teach you all the basics of Blender in around 17 to 18 minutes. Thank you.